What's up guys, welcome back to 4x4 Jumpman. Today we're going to be installing the Aussie Tonneau cover, which is a soft cover, and it's a clamp mount for the back of my tub. So I'll just show you what's inside the box. So we've got the clamp mounts here. So I won't be needing to do any drilling on this one. So we've got the Tonneau cover there, right there. I'll open that up soon. So we've got the pole that goes in the middle. Then we got the aluminium plates, which goes on the sides of the tub. So that's the plates that goes on the side, and the one on the rear where the door goes. So what I need to do is grab these clamps, and then we can put it on the aluminium plate on the side. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a bit of soft 3M in there, like this. So that way it doesn't scratch my tub. do the last one on the other side. So that's what it looks like, and now we just got to do the tailgate. This one's a little bit more complicated, but we'll get through it. So for the tailgate, you need to remove the plastic liner, and you're gonna need this tool here. So you just remove the liner like this. Slide it off. So now what you need to do is remove this white parts and change it to the other one. So you need to put this one through and take the white ones off. So you can use the pliers and unclip it underneath. So it's easier, and it should pop out. There you go. So now that's done, I've taken off the clips. Now I can put these ones in. So these guys are going in from underneath, like that. So what you also need to remove is the sticky part of the liner, which is the rubber, which is what I'm going to remove now. And make sure you also put the rubber back. So the plate's gonna go on top like this. And then after that you put the liner on top of that. So the tail liner will go on top of that. Now that you put back all the liners, the rubbers, you can screw them back on again. Alright, so that's what the tailgate looks like. Alright, now we can install the middle of the pole. On top, and we can pull that out like this. And you do the same for the other side. So now we can put the tonneau cover over. So when you install your tonneau cover, start with the back clip first, and then from the back. So what we can do is clip the side of the tonneau, like that. Clip the other side as well, like that. And then you can start on the other side. And now you can clip on the front. So that's how you install a tonneau cover, and this is from Aussie Tonneaus. So if you like this video guys, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Yo! So you do the back clips first, then you do the side, and then you do this other side, and after that you can do the back tailgate.